Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na i-upload ko sa aming YouTube channel.
Manal. Before we continue for the comments, I would like to acknowledge Representative Lani Mercado Revilla for her sponsorship speech.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, and members of this committee and members and all other guests. I am here to sponsor House Bill 281 entitled An Act Expanding the Grant of 20% Discount and Exemption from the Value-Added Tax to Senior Citizens to include medicines, supplements, vitamins, herbal products, and formulated milk medically duly prescribed or recommended by physicians. I would like to include my explanatory note as part of my sponsorship speech, and I would like to explain as well one of the reasons why Representatives Brian Revilla, Ramon Jolo B. Revilla III, and myself have filed this bill ay dahil sa kadahilanan marami po sa ating mga senior citizens na kapag sila po ay pumupunta sa iba't ibang establishmento na nagbebenta ng gatas o kaya ng supplements ay nagba-vary ang decision making ng mga establishmentong ito. For example, nagpunta sa isang branch ng Watson sa isang lugar, binigyan po ng 20% or diskwento ang senior citizens sa produktong gatas. Pag pumunta naman sa ibang branch, ay hindi sila bibigyan ng the same brand of milk that they would like to buy or supplements that they would wish to buy. Ito po ang kadahilanan na kami ay naghain ng batas na ito, Madam Chair and distinguished members of this committee. We are seeking for your immediate approval. Salamat po.
Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe!